Since we're talking about the IRS, let me bring up the subject of fast-track settlement. The idea is quite appealing. A customer-driven approach to resolving tax disputes at the earliest possible stage in the examination process.
I think some background on the Fast Track Settlement Program, FTS, is in order. In 2003, the IRS started an FTS program for large and mid-sized businesses. And then 3 years later, it started a pilot program for small businesses and self-employed individuals. Subsequently, that program was extended and expanded.
The good news is that it's not just for large and mid-sized businesses anymore.
The IRS has now permanently, officially set up the FTS program for small businesses and self-employed individuals. It allows for mediation of unresolved legal or factual issues. There has to be at least one outstanding in at least one tax year under consideration in order to use FTS.
Since it's not something that our viewers are familiar with, I suppose a few details about fast-track settlements are called for.
Not all cases are eligible for the FTS program. The guidance lists those cases that are eligible, as well as those cases that aren't eligible. For example, you can't use FTS for a correspondence audit. If you want to use the FTS program, first you have to complete Form 14017 as well as the application package, and it's quite extensive. The IRS estimates that the resolution of an issue through the FTS program takes about 60 days from the date that the application is accepted. If FTS does not resolve the issue or issues under consideration, you can't then use post-appeals mediation. Of course, you can always litigate, but that's something that we as practitioners certainly don't like to do.